Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys my 8-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. So this is the user manual. As you see, it's a brand new. So it comes with the battery. So this is the battery. So the battery powered by lithium ion. And this is a 22.2 volts. This is a 2200 milliampere, 26.5 volts, 500 milliampere adapter. So the adapter is gonna be this one. So you need to plug this in. It's a DC and it's a cordless. So as you see, these are the attachment. And comes with the user manual. User manual, you can easily understand. It's written in English. That's a telescopic tube. It's a longer telescopic tube. And the SOPA brass is underneath. And this is the, that's a SOPA brass rather. And the floor brass, I'll need to get it once I pull it out. And that's the adapter, you see. So we can pull it out. This is a SOPA brass. So you can brush you can suck all the debris to your SOPA. While this one is telescopic tube. And these are the attachment, the tube and the brass that you can use. And this is the cleaning brass, and this is the adapter, and this is the vacuum main body. It's the vacuum main body. Well, this is the vacuuming body, and we need to attach this battery to the bottom. Attaching this, there's a groove, as you see. There's a groove to the side. You need to attach it like this. So once you slide, you need to slide it through and you will hear the click sound. Now this one is already been set, the battery and together with the vacuum body. All we need to do is to attach. This is the floor brass. So it has a roller, as you see. So the floor brass, it has a roller in the brass. The ball mounting, all you need to do is to attach this to the ball and you can hang your vacuum cleaner. Attaching to the vacuum body, and as you see, there's a button right there. So you need to, there's that's right here. You need to slide it through, as you see. There's a two metal that's for the power supply. You need to attach it there so that it will work. So if you need to attach it like this, you need to push it all the way through. You need to press this button, push it all the way through, and it will be, you will hear the click sound. So once you hear the click sound, this is ready for use. You need to put the adapter that you would like to use. Okay, well, as you see, this adapter, you need to push it so that you can use the brass, push it and push it all the way through, and the regular suction rectangular shape, it will convert it into a brass. You hear the click sound. Now it converted into a vacuum brass. See, there's an opening in the middle, small vacuum brass. Well, using this attachment, the brass, you need to press this and you need to push it all the way through like this, and you will hear the click sound. Now this one is ready for use, so I can use this to my car. Well, you see, there's some cookies, chocolate cookies on the floor, some debris. So I need to vacuum that using this vacuum cleaner. So to fire this out, I need to turn this on. So I need to turn this on. See, there's a positive medium, maximum. So I'm gonna use the minimum. So that's the debris. I'm gonna vacuum it. This is a 30 kph. You see, it already vacuumed the dirt. So this one can go to some crevices of your car, and it has a long telescopic arm. Now I'm in the minimum setting. I am able to reach some unnecessary debris to my car. See there? Turn this off. You need to press this. Here, even though that I'm using my lights dark. Like this. Well, so far I'm happy with the performance of this. I'm gonna vacuum it more. So I still have 50% left of battery, as you see. With the minimum power, I'm able to pick up all the debris. Okay, so that's it. I still have 47 left of power. So again, this is the 8-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. As you see, that's the debris, and I can remove it, put it to the garbage can. Moving this easy to the vacuum body container. Press this, it will come out. There it is. So those are the debris. I already dumped it here, my garbage. Now you need to clean it up using with the brush. Okay. See, I still have a debris of thread. I need to remove it as well. Removing the suction strainer. All I need to do is to twist it to the left or counterclockwise. That's it, and that's the filter. So I have another extra filter that they provided as well. So I need to clean this up and remove all of this debris with the hair, stranded of hair, and the thread as well. Nice thing with this is made of steel, and that's a rubber, so you need to clean it. You can wash it. You can wash this strainer, while this filter you can wash it as well, or either use a air blow compressor. You can use your compressor or your air compressor to blow all the dust. So I get another extra that they provided, so I have 2 of this. Putting this box easy. All you need to do to just drop this in and put the strainer. After you drop that in, put this strainer and turn it clockwise. Turn it turn it clockwise, and it will lock. I already turned it clockwise. Now this is locked. All I need to do, just lock it like that, and now this one's ready for use. Make sure that you secure the clip before you use. Now after you use, you need you need to charge this, fully charge before you use. And prior I end my video, I would like to point out this with you guys that this telescopic, it's you can extend it, extendable. All you need to just press this and you can extend it. See? Now this is the telescopic. I already extended through. The reason why they make extendable telescopic tube, so that you are able to use your floor vacuum, this floor vacuum brush, which they provided us. So this is the floor vacuum brush. All you need to do is to attach this. Touching it, I need to drop this in. I'm gonna drop this in, so you're gonna hear the click sound. So after you hear the click sound, this is ready for use. All you need to do is to attach this to the vacuum body, and you are able to use the floor brush. That's the thing that you need to attach to the top. Push it all the way through, and it will click. Now that's the actual functions of this. Now you are able to use. I show you guys this. You see that debris on the floor? I'm gonna use it right now. So it has an LED light, the green light. I'm able to pick up all the debris here. to my garage. Well, as you see, those are the debris that I pick up tonight. And that's it. Let's see how many. So right now, my current voltage, my current charge is 46%. I need to charge this to 100% so that I'm able to use it. This is a powerful vacuum cleaner that you will not regret. As you see, it has a swivel that you can maneuver to left and right. Same thing with my Shark swivel cordless vacuum cleaner. My Shark vacuum cleaner, the swivel, it broke, so I decided to get this one. I got this for $66. So you can buy this at Amazon, Walmart, eBay. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. If you found my video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So again, this is the 8-in-1 cordless powerful 30 kPa vacuum cleaner, 8-in-1. And that's the telescopic. And that's the floor brush. And these are the accessories, as I explained to you guys. So it comes with the brush, it comes with the air filter, the power supply, and also this one. It comes with the couch brush, and also it comes also with this two adapter that it can be converted into brush and into a regular vacuum. And this is for the wall mounting, and that's the adapter. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless. Again, this is a 8-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner.